What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about something that I mentioned previously. Yesterday, I talked about Solana-based meme coins. And those Solana-based meme coins have a ton of potential, a ton of volume. And I talked about one specifically that I think is more on the lower level when it comes to market cap, but has so much upside when it comes to growth. And that position is Myro. It was sitting at a very low market cap at that point, and not super low, but definitely at a lower scale compared to the other ones that were there. But you're also seeing that this has so much more potential from where it was or where it is at this lower level all the way up to where it can be to a bonk like run or even further than that, honestly. And I'm excited for what it could be. I'm excited for what it will be. And the things that they're doing is kind of making sure that we see what Myro is, right? We see the growth, we see the volume, we see the attention, and it's there, right? You cannot ignore it because it's there. So let's get into what Myro is. Let's go into the website. We're going to go into the chart. We're going to get a little bit more of a breakdown than what we had yesterday, as well as some new things that you can look at there within the project. Now, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you want to check out any of the links for Myro, I will have all of those links down below where you can check all of those out and go and research it yourself. I always, implore everyone to do their own research, no matter how strong and how much volume the project actually has. I want you guys to be able to do your own research because it's a teachable moment, right? For you guys to go and do research and feel great about the position yourself rather than just buying it based off of someone else that's saying it. Like, it means the world to you. It means the world to me. And honestly, it'll mean the world to your wallet when you see the opportunity that's here for what it is, right? Now, let's get into Myro. If we go into the website to ask the question, right? Welcome to Myro. So they asked the question for us. Many may ask, what is Myro? Myro is the name of the dog owned by Raj Gokal. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. One of the co-founders of Solana. This project pays homage to him and his dog, and responds to the popular demand for dog-based narratives in the crypto space, which is very true. Anytime you have anything that really blows up, it is a dog-based coin in meme coins, right? That's what it's always been about. Myro was created in response to this demand and to provide value to the ecosystem created by Raj and his partner, the Solana blockchain. Myro is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is also a movement. We believe that Solana has the potential to change the world for the better, and we are committed to making it more inclusive and welcoming for everyone, which again is huge. First of all, the website is well done. Like, I like it, right? It's simple but clean. I always like things like that. That's why I make a lot of my merchandise, simple but clean. It just has to be that way. So how do you buy Myro? You can purchase Myro in various different ways. We recommend downloading Phantom Wallet and purchasing Sol, sending it to your Phantom address and swapping using Phantom's in-app wallet. But there's also an easier way to do it, right? There's a lot of other options. You can buy it using Jupiter. You can buy it on Mayan. You can also buy it on any other platform that you do see up here, which we will go through a lot of those different partners within exchanges. We'll go through all of that stuff there. But different features that it does have: Myro Buy Bot. So Solana's first public buy bot on Telegram, promoting cross-pollination and offering free exposure through Myro trending as adoption grows. A small fee for trending will be introduced with a chance for free inclusion. As you see, Myro staking unlock the full potential of your Myro investment with our staking pool utility. Seamlessly stake your coins, earn sustainable rewards, and contribute to Solana's decentralization. You also have the further utilities that they would have. So Myro is set to transform the Solana ecosystem, delivering essential utilities for the evolving need of users. Our commitment ensures a dynamic contribution to Solana's long-term growth, serving hundreds of thousands of users. Again, big, right? The symbol, you would see the symbol here. It has zero tax. Liquidity is burned forever. There's the token address, and you can check out their social medias. Again, all the social medias will be down below. We will include the Twitter account. We will include the Telegram. Everything that you need to know is down there. Now, I did put out a tweet earlier today, which you're going to be seeing this tomorrow, but I did put out the tweet, today, talking about how I have this official collaboration with Myro and how I'm going to be putting out a video today about this. And also, I talked about it in a previous video that really brought together Solana meme coins and the push with those. Again, this is an exciting project because it does have the popularity, right? You see the popularity here, 89 or almost 90,000 views within here. You're looking at 1.8K likes, and you're seeing, different bookmarks and all of that. And you're also, if you go over to Myro and Twitter account, you're going to see there's many different tweets. They retweet. They are active. They are actively going through, and they have about 50,000 followers. So it's a big deal, right? Their popularity is large, right? It's not something that's made up. It is a large amount of popularity there, and you can see that within not only the Twitter account but also within the purchases, right? It has $43 million worth of volume, and you're seeing a $183 million market cap. So that doesn't go unnoticed, right? $183 million market cap, it definitely speaks volumes and where it can actually be and where it will go. Currently sitting at a 19-cent price. If you look at the last, all history for this since November, it's up 4,851% since then. That is huge. And that is not the end all be all of where it's going to get to. It has solid retracements. It's not something that just increased and never decreased. You see these retracements here. It went up to this point here, which is 15 or 18 cents, decreased down to this level of about 11 cents, increase back up to about 25 cents, decrease down to 15 cents, and, is moving with the market. So it's not something that has any type of red flags. Honestly, it's showing me a lot of positive things. And then another positive thing that I brought up in my previous video was about the circulating supply. Circulating supply is sitting at 94%, meaning that there is no chance for dilution within the position, which is a huge deal for me. And, as you see dilution in other plays, it may be a deal breaker for some people, but this play, you don't have that deal breaker, right? It doesn't have dilution with it. All of it is released that's out there. And if you look at the markets, again, more positivity, right? The markets, you have KuCoin, you have HTX, you have Bybit, the partnership with Bybit. You also have BingX there. So you have many different, options, many different things to look at. OrangeX, you have 35 other pairings that you can end up, making a move on and buying within there. So honestly, it's showing a lot of positivity right now. And as I look at the chart, I see, levels to where it has retraced, has come back a little bit. Wish I could have actually purchased down here, but it shows a lot of upside. So if you're looking for something that may be a meme play, that may have some utility, that might end up having, a bonk type run where it goes from a $10 million market cap all the way up to a $2 billion market cap or whatever that ended up getting to, you may see that same type of run here because it is now a Solana, dog-based meme coin that is definitely taking over and seeing a lot of movement and seeing a lot of traction. And when you turn heads, you start to, people start to take out their wallets because, you're turning heads all the time, right? So you have that. And who's really to say that we're not going to see other things that could be more implemented within the Solana chain? Like we could see something with Solana Mobile, right? We could see some of these, tier 2 exchanges. Some of these tier 2 exchanges, now we're seeing tier 1 exchanges, right? We see KuCoin, who's a tier 1 exchange. We could be seeing Binance. We could be seeing Coinbase because of all the volume that we are seeing. So again, and Solana, the US is all about Solana. So anything that is Solana, anything that does have hype behind it could be something that pushes as well. So I'm definitely hype behind what could happen, what will happen within this play. And, I don't have any right now, but I'm definitely, every time I look at it, I'm like, dang, man, this has the volume to market cap ratio, 24, 25%. I may end up purchasing that. I'll let the Patreon know if I decide to purchase Myro because it does show a lot of upside. I only have one, or I have two Solana plays. I have Solana and I have Bonk. And I think I might end up adding Myro to this list as well, because it's turning heads. Anything that's turning heads, has that popularity. I got to find a way to add it. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out, some of the posts or the links down below for Myro, their Twitter account, their Telegram, their website, all those types of things. Feel free to check them out, and give them a look, give them a follow as well on Twitter. But I'm going to get out of here. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you've looked into it or if you invested into it and was part of the 4,800% gain that's there, any part of it, let me know if you got into it. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.